What?
What?
I can't hear you because I'm Here we go, baby. Yeah! We're so excited to make the neighbors angry. I know. It's gonna sound just like you, bud. 2015 Skidoo Summit X 154 800R Etec. We're gonna go ahead and pull this crappy, stupid, heavy, low RPM, low horsepower, fun resistant exhaust off and put the GGB Mountain Can on. Let's do it. Gotta go. Thanks. Number one reason why we recommend GGB exhaust is because it comes with stickers. And you know some of those suckers are getting slapped on here in strategic locations. Let's see what we got. More like there's nothing to that. Does it smell good? Does it smell fast? Good. You hiding over there? So I was wrong, just this one spring down here. I thought that was a spring because I didn't have a flashlight in here, but that's actually the chain tensioner poking through the chain case. So that is not a spring. There is a spring right here, and these two on the top. They make spring pullers. I actually ordered one from Dennis Kirk. It has yet to arrive. That would be too easy. But hey, do not bite that. But you can do this with vice grips. You should probably wear gloves if you like yourself, because, yeah, good times. All right, we did it. Got all those suckers out. We're just gonna roll it backwards and then pull it out. I'll prop you guys up. Holy crap, this thing's heavy. Oh my god. Like a suitcase. All right, let's toss this sucker in. I think we'll go bottom hole first. Reuse that rubber. I'm gonna need two hands for this. Reuse that rubber. Pop that underneath here. Line this up. You can reuse your carbon ring. Hopefully yours is still in good condition. You got a ton more room. Putting these springs back in, probably gonna be a little bit harder. It looks like this has more of a reach between these two. And your O2 sensor, whatever you wanna call it, pops in there. And then I think you will not use this spring. I don't think there's anything left to connect this to. That should be all. Can't wait to fire this thing up. All right, she's all in. I was able to reuse the springs. I had to stretch this one just a tiny bit, but it's in there pretty secure. It's not hanging down too low. The other one was probably half an inch, maybe a quarter of an inch closer to the belly pan. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the guts up in here. The springs over here went on fairly easily, and they're on there pretty tight, nice and good. O2 sensor went right back in, cranked up tight. I didn't reuse the lock washer because it didn't even go low enough. That sled's got a BMP can. It's a 2013 M8 HCR, and the fitment on that, I'm not as impressed as I am with this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and fire it up. Let's do this.